This is a disassembly, reassembly video for the Warp Modular. There's two service tools that you can download and print off of Thingiverse. That link will be provided in the comment bar below. So step one is to take your slider upside down, put it in the disassembly service tool here, and tap it hard enough for the top ring and centerpiece to come out. So you can see that came out. And then you're left with the dampener and the screw. You take the screw out next. I'm using a 3mm triangle to do that. Once that screw is out, just use my fingernail to go across the dampener, pull it out. And then to get the magnets out, I tend to use just a small set of magnets to help me take them out. And then turn it over. Just give it a little toss and take the insert out. Now, for reassembly, you can see there's some bridges here that fit onto the body. I'm going to make sure that's going to correct direction. The magnets back in. And then put our dampener back on. It's this block tool for reassembling. You can just use your hand if you want to, or use a small rubber mallet. Make sure it's all the way in. And then next, put the screw in. What I like to do is put the screw on top of the dampener so it's flat. And make sure that the triangle tool is in its slot. And you can slide it over and screw it on. Just don't put it on too tight. Screw it finger tight. Next is to the centerpiece and the outer ring. Set it on top. And if you have to, you should be able to just pop all four corners in. If you have a little trouble, like I'm having right now, you can pick it up and just push it together that way. Just make sure that it's all pressed in. That's it.